Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Delicious Kitchen. I'm Hiba, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best apple butter muffins in the world. First, you're going to need 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. It's important that the butter is soft so that you can easily mix it. You're going to add 1 cup of white granulated sugar and mix it very well with the butter until it's very well combined and you've got this really nice and smooth texture. So go ahead and keep mixing, mix until everything is very well combined. Next, add in half a teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. Mix in the egg really well until it's very well incorporated and it emulsified and you've got a really nice and smooth batter. Also, don't skip the salt. It's important because that's what's going to really enhance the flavor of your muffins. Then you're going to add in the ingredient that's going to make these muffins amazingly delicious. It's 1 cup of apple butter. For the recipe to this, please click on the cards. I already have one up, so please go ahead and check that and make that first before you make your muffins. Now I'm adding in the zest of half an orange, and I'm also going to juice in half an orange. It's not going to make your muffins taste like orange at all. It just adds a little bit, a hint of flavor. It just adds a lot of depth to your muffins. The star of the show will remain your apple butter with its delicious spices, so don't worry about that. You could also substitute the orange zest and the orange juice for lemon zest and lemon juice if that's what you prefer. Now I'm going to add in the last bit of our wet ingredients, 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 3/4 of a cup of milk at room temperature. Add those in and keep mixing, mix until everything is very well combined and you have a smooth batter. In a separate bowl, you're going to mix in your dry ingredients. I'm starting off with 1 sachet of baking powder, which is equivalent to about a tablespoon of baking powder, and to that I'm going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to mix it really well. I want to make sure that my baking powder has dispersed really well in the flour mixture so that my muffins rise evenly. Then you're going to sift in your flour mixture into the wet ingredients, and this is what's going to give you lighter, fluffier muffins. So please don't skip this step. It is important and it makes a huge difference in the texture of your muffins. Then you're going to mix, and you want to keep mixing until everything is just about well combined. Do not overmix. So as soon as the flour is combined with the wet ingredients, that's when you want to stop. Otherwise, you're going to activate the gluten and you're going to get really tough and chewy muffins instead of light and fluffy ones. In your muffin tin lined with muffin liners, scoop in equal amounts of the batter, and I'm using an ice cream scoop for that, but you can just use regular spoons. Now for the streusel topping, you're going to need 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of cold butter, and half a cup of flour. Mix it all in together. I tried using a fork, but I found that my hands work a little bit better. Work it all together until the flour and the butter come together and form lumps the size of peas. Then go ahead and sprinkle the streusel topping on top of your muffins and bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center of your muffin comes out clean. After 25 minutes, you should have something that looks like this. They look amazing, they smell amazing, and they're just so soft and light and moist and very delicious. They make an amazing snack, amazing breakfast, or you could just enjoy them with a nice hot cup of tea or cup of coffee. I hope you make this and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, take care, and see you next time.